What's going on, guys? Welcome back again to my channel. Thank you for joining me once again. And today we're gonna be doing a beginner's back workout. It's gonna be pretty easy. A lot of really nice exercises that a lot of you guys pretty already know how to do and what kind of machines to use. So yeah, let's get started. On this one, we're doing the seated rows. Make sure to contract your muscles so that you pull all the way back and also contract all the way in. There is no point to rush, so just go slow, breathe in, breathe out. And just always make sure to focus on the pump and on the movement. We're gonna superset this one with one of my favorite exercises, the straight arm lat pull down. Usually you wanna use the rope. It's probably the best way to do it. Make sure you go all the way almost to the side of your knees and contract your lats when you're pulling it down. Nice and slow. I usually take between a minute break in between sets because we supersetting this one, you do one after the other. Now this next exercise, the lat pull down, you all know it's a very popular exercise for back. On this one, I like to make a hold on the way up. So go up just halfway, slow down, stop, go down again and up again. You want to do that between 10 to 8 reps for 4 sets. Now we're going to one of my favorite, the single dumbbell rows. Same thing, just control the movement. Make sure your chest is out so your back is straight. You don't need to go too heavy, just heavy enough that you're controlling the exercise. Always make sure to focus on your breathing. Now we're going to bend over rows. Same thing, just go heavy enough that you're gonna be able to control the exercise and the movement. Try to get up to 12 or 10 reps depending on the set.
Yeah.
When you trying to decide which way, just make sure it's whatever is more comfortable to you. One of the things that I always look for is make sure that it's heavy enough that when you're gonna do the last rep, you almost get into failure. Once again, we're doing seated rows, but this one with the B bar. Make sure to hold 2 seconds on the way in. Control and compress those muscles. Make sure you focus on that nice pump. And that's basically it for the back workout. Very, very simple. I usually try to finish it out with some abs. The hanging leg raise is one of my favorites that you guys have seen in past videos. On this one, I do a bit of a hold in between each rep to get a maximum pump. I love it. That exercise is really my favorite because it really contracts your upper, middle, and bottom abdominal area. And yeah, just finishing out with some incline walking. And thank you again, guys, for joining me. And make sure to subscribe, like, and feel free to put any comments if you have any questions. Hope to see you guys next time.